Good morning, humans. XZanthia here, and Noah and I are in Denver, Colorado, and we just rented Lime bikes, which I've actually never done and always wanted to do, but I always brought my own bikes, and we're riding around on the bike trails. I just dropped my truck off at the mechanic. Needs an oil change and just, you know, some other simple little things for us to continue our trip. Man, I used to do this bike trail all the time when I lived here. Things have changed a lot. We used to have drum circles here. I don't know if they still do that. So back when I used to live here, my friend John Hartman. What are you doing?
I'm scratching the one mosquito bite on my back. Dare to oppose me in my bug spray with 25% DEET power.
We used to climb through these storm drains, and we would go so deep underneath the city. Shh. It was scary. Would you be scared? You want to do that? You want to do that with me?
No. That would give me anxiety.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. And we used to shoot videos. He shot a lot with 8mm film, and he would develop his film. And he made really cool movies. Hey, check him out. Yes, he's in Bulgaria now. But anyway, yeah, and one time we were shooting a film in one of these storm drains, and I was like running towards him really quick on my hands and legs. It was a pretty small storm drain, and there's this little pipe that went like right through the top, and I smashed my head, and the whole bong. It was super scary, and I got super dizzy, and I started throwing up, and we had to come out of the storm drain, and I came out here to the river, and I was not feeling very well, and the top of my dreadlocks were like scraped off, and I was bleeding, and took a little rest, and then went back to it, because the show must go on. Wow, that was a lot of fun. At first we were a little bummed out about the ride assist, but it was actually still quite a workout. We went out for about 2 hours, and it was just like a little over $2. Now we're gonna walk to the mechanic. Man, they were fabulous. They took us in quick and did a really good job. Well, we haven't driven yet, but I think they did a good job. I hope they did a good job. Hungry time. Hey, what would Corey Feldman do? I just got that shirt made because it's a question that needs to be asked more often. We came to have some pizza with my friend Alex, who is now the girlfriend of my ex-boyfriend Trevor. Trevor and I dated like 20 years ago. Jeez, it's been so long. Look, we're still crazy. And this is my friend David. He's fun. Oh no, went through. Hey, this is my friend David.
Howdy.
He had an art gallery next door to mine, and we used to hang out on the roof here in that Denver place.
Indeed, yes.
Yeah, we did that.
First discovered you on the roof, making the most of the heat that was coming out of the roof.
Yeah, I was absorbing it.
The cold air.
I was trying to find the footprints.
No, I don't remember. If you live in somewhere that small.
Man, we just came back. Look, someone hit my truck, broke my mirror. That sucks. Jeez. Well, I guess I gotta go back to a mechanic and get that fixed. Hey, you know what? But first, let me show you this weird old movie that John Hartman and I did. We were supposed to be leaving today, but it looks like I'm going to be spending the rest of the day trying to figure out what to do with my vehicle. I'm at the Toyota dealership right now, and everybody seems like it's weeks out before anyone can help us out. So I guess maybe I'm going to have to beg. Ugh. But anyway, have a beautiful day, and I want to thank you again so much for checking out my video, making it all the way to the end, even through the crazy. Please do like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
There we go. That's
There's a spot in old St. Pete, just a half a mile off South St. Street. The place gets freaky like a loony bin, rocking with our daily life friends. Hi, my name's XZanthia.
Mr. Tank.
To all of our friends, we'd like to thank.
You gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Go to Patreon to keep us alive. XZanthia.
Mr. Tank.
There's a spot.
All right. Damn, XZanthia. Go. You're wasting people's time. I've got a hot act from Florida. I'm gonna join your band, XZanthia. I warn you though. I have a taste in hirsute groupies. I like them hairy from top to bottom. I like to be serviced before and after performances, and no interference from any of the band members. And I demand a 95% over the whole. No. Who do you think you are, Perry Farrell? You fuck! You want me to wear a sock on my dick and nothing else? I'll do it.